All right, y'all, here we go. Hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025. Danny's weigh in. I gave it all the time I could. This is what I'm getting. So hopefully y'all can see this. This is my Giant Belgium. He is split pretty bad, so he's kind of ugly, but I'm gonna go ahead and get him off of here. Y'all, I'm holding my phone with one hand, so I'm going to snip and let y'all see him fall with the other. All right, so let's take him inside. My Giant Belgium. I don't even think we're gonna get 8 ounces, but it's my weigh-in, so I'm gonna take him inside. I'll get back with y'all when I get inside. All right, so got my scale, got my not so giant Belgium. So we'll let y'all see my weigh-in. Let's see, I'll turn it on. It is in pounds and ounces. I promise I'm not going to go over a pound. So I think pounds and ounces is going to be fine. Here's my not so giant Belgium. All right, mark it down. 5.2 ounces for Danny's not so giant Belgium. Hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025 is in the books. All right, y'all, so there is my hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025, my weigh-in. I competed. That's what I can say. I should have weighed that first one. Lesson learned. Next year, look out, Chad, look out, Brian, I'm coming for you.